So we are working through this study guide together, but I would like you to try this first part on your own again. Part 3 is cause and effect, which we talked about in Because of Mr. Turrupt. So first, think about what questions do we ask ourselves when looking for cause and effect within a narrative story. So when you think about cause, what do you ask yourself? Go ahead and try to jot something down. And then what do you think about for effect? What question do you ask yourself? Now, if you said for cause, it's why did something happen? Or why did it happen? Then that is the question to help you figure out the cause of something. For effect, it would just simply be what happened. So let's practice with these examples of cause and effect. Example 1. So the cause is Mr. Turrupt was in a coma. Well, we know that the effect has to be after the cause. So after this happened, and because of this happening, we read part of the effect. Anna, Danielle, and Jessica went to visit Mr. Turrupt. The girls saw blank and hugged her and became friends again. So let's think back to the actual story and what happened after Mr. Turrupt was in a coma. And notice I asked the question, what happened? These girls went to visit Mr. Turrupt. Who did they see at the hospital? And who did they become friends with again? And we have a context clue hint right here, which is her. Go ahead and try to fill in that blank. If you said the girls saw Alexia and hugged her and became friends again, then you got it. Let's try the next example. Now this time, part of the cause is not filled in. So we're asking ourselves, why did something happen? Blank put water all over the floor. The effect, or what happened, was the principal, Mrs. Williams, slipped and fell. Okay, think to yourself, why did the principal, Mrs. Williams, slip and fall? Go ahead and try to fill in the answer. Okay, we have another clue here. We have to think in the story. Who was always causing trouble? Peter put water all over the floor. And that's why the principal slipped and fell. Try last example. Cause. James told the class that it was not Peter's fault. What happened? So that's the effect. What happened because, or after James said that? The whole class blank Peter. Go ahead and try to fill in that blank. So this is a little bit more open-ended, but in the story itself, if you look back in your book, then you might have read the whole class hugged Peter. And that's cause and effect.